What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going over our taillights for the 4Runner, full plug and play assembly. Today we have them installed on a 2022 4Runner. They're already on for you, and we're gonna go over the install and the functionality of these taillights. Guys, techniques for removing this thing. So on the inside, or on the back side, there's gonna be 3 clips, one up here in the corner and then 2 posts for screws. You're gonna need an extended 10mm. This is the exact setup I use. It's on a 1/4 inch, 10mm socket. Get on the loose end, and then on the inside here, I'll show you guys. Okay, so here's a post, and it's only threaded halfway, and then this non-threaded part is so that you don't lose the screw. And then, the other one's just right up here on the top. These are pretty loose because the pins are what hold the taillight in the most. So like, this is just to loosen the nuts. And once they break loose, like, the ratchet doesn't even work, so then you're gonna hand loosen. Just keep a finger on the end of the post, because if you drop these, there's no getting them back, really. They drop right down to the bumper. So just go slow, make sure you get a good hold of it. And there's that. So now, pop the thing out. We're gonna come out on the outside, get a good handle here, give a good tug. So right in this section is where I will grab first. Get your fingers under there. I'll pull up here. This will release the 2 top pins off the top like that. Then you'll come under here and the whole bottom one will come loose, which then will release the taillight. Compress the clip, release it, and the OEM one is out. Notice that these do not have the non-threaded part to them, so just be careful for install. And then this is the part, it's all plug and play, that you will connect into the factory harness. Just like this. You will pass this entire thing back through the hole. Align your posts from the back. And like I said, you want to make sure you get that clip out on the corner, if it will push out the taillight to where it won't fit. And once you get that part in, there you go. Now we're going to go back inside to install our 2 nuts and snug them up. This is the startup sequence right as you're starting the vehicle. This happens every single time. Here we have the brake, the reverse lights, and